Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope so you all are going great. Welcome back to another study lecture. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and once again today we'll learn something new about our lectures, and we'll get to know something new, and we'll have a proper lecture on something new. So if you have not liked, subscribe my YouTube channel, so please do that, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of my each and every lecture. And if you have any problem on English, math, and science, you can comment on any of my video. I'll go through that inshallah. And you must watch my previous videos because they are more interesting and lecture and knowledgeable. So starting with our today's lecture, it's a very easy lecture. Previously we were doing with maths, and that was HCF, that is the highest common factor. We did some examples of HCF, and I hope so that would be clear to you if you have watched that video. So today is also something new, and we are also going to do something new in this video. In this video we'll learn about prime and composite numbers. What are prime and composite numbers? We'll go through that and we'll learn about that. So let's start. We'll start our daily class by reciting dua for knowledge. You have to recite it with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Reinforcement of prime and composite numbers. So basically you are going to reinforce prime and composite numbers. Finding all possible factors of a number. Basically finding all possible factors of a number, that means finding factors by multiplication. That the one is the smallest factor of every number, and number itself is its greatest factor. So you must know that factor, each number is divisible by 1. You know, each multiply anything with by 1, we get the same thing. So what happens, we say that 1 is divisible by each and every number. It's a factor of each and every number. But the highest factor is always the number itself, okay, because that also comes in one's time, so it becomes 2 times. So that's why here if you take an example, I have two factors of 24. First I was having 1 multiplied by 24 equals to 24, then 2 multiplied by 12 equals to 24, 3 8s are 24, and 4 6 are 24. Okay, 4 6 are 24. Then in 5 table I don't have 24, I have 25 or 20, so I'll leave that, and then I will come to 6. So 6 4s are, I have 4 6 is 24, so 6 4s are 24. That means when factors start to repeat, it's time to stop. So whenever factor starts repeating, we stop there. So these all are my factors. That means 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Here if you see, smallest factor is 1 and highest is the number itself, that is 24. So prime and composite numbers, that we learned previously, but what are prime and composite numbers, that we'll get to know over here. A number greater than 1 and which has only 2 different factors. A number which is always greater than 1 but it has 2 factors, that is always the 1 number and it's the number itself, that's called a prime number. So a prime number is basically a number that is always greater than 1 and it has only 2 factors, that are 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Prime number, it means 2 factors only, that are 1 in the number itself, like 2 3 5 7 11 are few examples of prime numbers. There like if I do, it has only 2 1s are 2 and 1 2s are 2, and if in any number that are all smaller than that, so you can't let me find over there 2, then 7 3 1 3s are 3 and then 3 1s are 3, then 5 1 5s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. 7 1s multiplied by 7 equals to 7, and 7 multiplied by 1 equals to 7. 11 multiplied by 1 equals to 11, and 1 multiplied by 11 equals to 11. So these all are the prime numbers, whereas the component numbers are exactly the opposite, like the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called the composite numbers. Like in prime we have that they are always greater than 1 and they have 2 factors that are 1 and the number itself, whereas in composite numbers we have more than 2 we have factors, like in 4 6 8 9 and 10 they have multiple you can say they have multiple factors. Okay, factors of a prime and composite number. How do prime numbers work? So now I'll show you this working of prime numbers. If you look at this number 13, 13 has only 2 factors. If you look, 13 1 is 13, Okay, multiply by 1 multiplied by 13 and 13 multiplied by 1. So the factors of 13 are only 1 and 13. So it has the number itself and 1. So the number is prime number. Like Sam, I have, if I take an example of 4, I get to know that for 1s are 4, 2s are 4. I can say for 1s are 4, for 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 4s are 4. So I will say that 4 has 3 factors. That is the number itself, that is 4, 1 and 2. So it's not a prime number because it has 3. It should have 2 if it wants to be a prime number. So it's a composite number. First one is a prime number, that is 13, and second one is a composite number, that is 4. Prime number, a number that has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself are called the prime numbers. So if you look at the 5 numbers, what is 5? Prime, yeah, my factors, that's easy. I have just 1 and me. So only 1 5 digit that we have. So it's also odd and it's also a prime number. So prime equals to 1 and me. So composite number. So number that has more than 2 factors, they create colorful factor rainbows. Like here, if you look, if I have 25, so 25. Look, it only has 2. If you look over here, it has more than. It has a lot of factors. If I go through that, okay, it's divisible by 5 also. Okay, it's divisible by 5. 5s are 25 and many more, you know. Examples, same as 36, it's divisible by 36, 1, 6 also, it's also divisible by 2, and it's also divisible by 4. So it also has many examples. Prime and composite factors factors are the numbers you multiply to get another number, and prime numbers are the numbers that have only 2 factors. That are the, like, what are the factors of 3? Like 1 and 3, yeah? So because 3 has only 2 factors, it's a prime number. Composite numbers are the numbers that have more than 2 factors. What are the factors of 6? Like 1, 2, 3 and 6. Because 6 has more than 2 factors, it's a composite number. So I have a list number, like, and the list of factors, and then prime or composite. So first number I'm having is 10. So first of all, I have to look at the factors of 10. So it has 4 factors that are 1, 2, 5 and 10, and as you know, it has 4 factors, so it's a composite number. And 5, like, it has only 2 factors that are 1 and 5, so it's a prime number. Then I'm having 12. So 12 has 5 to 6 factors, like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So that's 6 factors, so it's a composite number. Then I'm having 18, so it also has 6, I think so, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, and then it's also a composite number. 41, it has only 2 factors, that are 1 and 41, that is a prime number. 15, it has 4 factors, that are 1, 3, 5 and 15, so it's a composite number. 2, it has only 2 factors, that are 1 and 2, so it's a prime number. 49, it has 3 factors, so it's a composite number, and the numbers, like, the factors are 1, 7 and 49. And then 73, it has 2 factors, that are 1 and 73, so it's a prime number. 33, it has 4 factors, that are 1, 3, 11 and 33, so it's a composite number. And 21, it has 4 factors, that are 1, 3, 7 and 21, so it's a composite number. So these all words, they are combined composite and prime numbers. So the number which has 3 or more than 3 factors are called composite numbers. The factor of 35, the factor of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. It has total 6 factors. 37 is a prime number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of dash 10, 12 or 14. Exactly 12. Dash is the smallest composite number. 4. The greatest prime number less than 20 is 19. The product of first prime and first composite number is 8. Yeah. So revise the lecture done today. Okay, so you can do this. So I hope you like today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.